Od bura mar Senate ochako ayanga twak ewi report mar komiti mane tayo twak e kind Azimio kod Kenya Kwanza mabende ong'ere kaka NADCO. Senators duto mane oloso osiro report makamano, kata odoko ni moko kuomgi to ne oseyo repodno kuom rem duoko piny pek mar ngima. Senator ma Nairobi Edwin Sifuna onyiso od bura ni bang' keto e tim report makamano, duond buche dhi bedo kod teko mar riembo jood bura magi matiyo kod duond buche mamoko e yo mapiyo kipimo gi kinde mwantiere sani ni. Senators bende nosiro paro mar chuoga mapisi mar jatend kweth mobalo kod piny owacho kata leader of opposition office.
I don't think there is any other political party that has faced the sort of onslaught that ODM has faced when it comes to poaching of members and indiscipline within the party, Mr. Speaker. I'm happy that now political parties have been given power to deregister people who want to eat from both sides, and that immediately you are deregistered, Mr. Speaker, you cease being a member of parliament.
So, Mr. Speaker, I think let us distinguish clearly what is bipartisan and what is not bipartisan. Let us be very clear that you cannot legislate the cost of living in a document like this. You cannot set up an economic council with members of opposition in a meeting like
what
this.
What is the point of order,
Mr. Speaker?
Riwruog lakteche ma KMPDU obwogo bago ng'anyo chakre